Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring some stunning bedroom wardrobe designs that will elevate the functionality and aesthetics of your bedroom. A well-designed wardrobe not only provides ample storage but also adds styles and organization to your space. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Before we dive into the wardrobe designs, let's talk about the importance of a well-designed wardrobe in your bedroom. A wardrobe serves as a focal point of your bedroom, providing essential storage for your clothes, accessories, and personal belongings. We will discuss how a thoughtfully designed wardrobe can optimize space, enhance organization, and complement your bedroom's overall designs. Walk-in closet design for those who ample space and desire for a luxurious wardrobe experience. Our first design idea is a walk-in closet. We will explore various walk-in closets from spacious dressing rooms to stylish closet systems. Discover how to incorporate customized storage solutions, mirrors, and sitting areas to create a functional and elegant space that makes getting ready a breeze. Sliding door wardrobes. Sliding door wardrobes are perfect for bedrooms with limited space or a desire for sleek and modern look. We will showcase different sliding door wardrobe designs ranging from mirror doors to sleek and minimalist panels. Learn how sliding doors wardrobes can maximize space and utilization and add a touch of contemporary elegance to your bedroom. Built-in wardrobes. Built-in wardrobes are a popular choice for bedrooms as they can be customized to fit your specific storage needs and blend seamlessly with your room's architecture. We will explore various built-in wardrobe designs from floor to ceiling units to corner wardrobes. Discover how built-in wardrobes can optimize storage space and create into a cohesive look and provide a sense of organization. If you are a fan of for more and open and accessible wardrobe concept, our next design idea focus on open closet system. We will showcase different open closet designs such as clothing racks, floating shelves, and modular storage units. Learn how to display and organize your clothing and accessories in a visually appealing and functional way. That concludes our bedroom wardrobe designs video. We hope these ideas have inspired you to reimagine your bedroom storage and create a wardrobe that combines styles and functionality. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which wardrobe design idea resonated with you the most. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home design content. Until next time, happy organizing and styling your bedroom wardrobes.